why you're not making money online. Still broke? Even after trying everything? You're not the problem. The system is. Hi, I'm Holly, a mom and grandmother who started over at 70 because I had no other choice. I was trying everything: YouTube tutorials, free PDFs, side hustles. That totally drained me. I thought the problem was me, but it really wasn't. Most online opportunities are either way too complicated or they only work for people with time, tech skills, or a huge following. But guess what? I found something different, a model that actually works for the rest of us. Zero recruiting, no cold messaging, just 2 hours a day, 100% profit every time, and built to last. Not trends and it's also fully automated 24/7 worldwide. If you're still stuck, it's not your effort, it's the strategy. Drop Teach Me if you want to see what I do step by step, because you're not lazy. You just haven't been shown a system that respects your time and actually gives results.